Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I've got a really quick haul from Allie Edwards. This is just some scrapbooking goodies. I'm on 2 different of her subscriptions, and they're very affordable. They're very encouraging in trying to tell the story of your family, and I really enjoy them. And her products are very different, so that's why I enjoy these kits. So I love the container she sends everything in. I mean, she's really got it down. But look at this. Have you ever seen this in scrapbooking? How much fun. Wow. So, let's see here. Oh, these are like sticker badges. Everywhere is home. That one says, this one says, life is an adventure, and this one says, into the world. I love this. Those are so cute. I don't know about y'all, but of course we're not traveling much due to all the things going on, so I think life is an adventure right here. Look at these. These are all little sayings on banners. Wow. I love this. I really do. These are... for me, sentiments and quote wordfetti is always one of those things that if they have it, that's the first thing I'm interested in. It's like a moth to the flame. It's the first thing I look at. So let me see if all of these they all have it, guys. Look at that. Under the stars, everywhere is home, love, get outside, on location. Oh my goodness, I love that. And I'm always outside these days. Oh my goodness. And look at these. Okay, so this is a travel kit, obviously, for this month. So airplanes, cars, map, heart, phone. I don't know what that is. Oh, camera. And then, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, maybe a radio? I don't know. Pretty interesting, huh? So that's fun. I hope you can see that. This one says Rome. I love that. I love that a lot. Okay, look at the tags. These are cardboard stickers, and there are 9 adventure, and it's adventures out there, wander for, and then it gives you a place to date. So you can put born to roam, and then you buy a picture and then date it. Roaming the unknown, a date. Conquer from within, a date. A world to experience, a date. Documenting the official story, discover new places, destined to roam, and a date. So really neat stuff. Now we have journaling cards. Ooh, journaling card. And then a bunch here. Oh, and these are the smaller ones. So, let me see. Let me see if I can take it out and not totally destroy it. So, anyways, I really am a real, like, pastel, you know, flowers and sunshine kind of person. And what I'm attracted to, like this table runner. But Allie Edwards does it very differently, and so that's what kind of attracts me, that it's different too. So here's, back is blank. So these are really nice. We're just going to assume they're all blank. Let's go. Gone exploring. Life begins at your comfort zone. That's true. Adventures out there. Today's big adventure. Stars. So, love wandering with you. Let's roam. Wander, explore, discover. Love that. And then let's see what the big ones are. To move, to breathe, to fly, to float, to gain all while you give, to roam the roads of lands remote, to travel is to live. And that's by Hans Christian Andersen. I love that. Okay. Roam, gone for the weekend, off to vacation, a quick getaway. Love that. And then you can just journal across here. How much fun is that? Into the wild. Love that. Travel brings power and love back to your life. And I cannot read the person, I'm so sorry. Life with you is one big adventure. That's cute. Okay, current location, more journaling spots, date. And if you just need something to decorate for a title, what a great title page. Roam far and wander wide. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay. So I'm going to start getting some of this put in here, back in my little pouch before I lose it. Especially those cards. That's why I want to get that done. Alright, there. Now, it doesn't end. Here we go. So, there's more of the chipboard stickers. So, we've got roaming. One for the books, let's get lost. Life is an adventure. Roam. Trip highlights. Look at the, you know, kind of the page dividers. Go slowly. Here we go. Into the unknown. take it all in, all the sights, all the sounds. I love that. That's too much fun. Too cute. Okay, and then one last thing. Give people time. Give people space. Don't beg anyone to stay. Let them roam. What's meant for you will always be yours. Raina Biddy. So it's interesting. Oh, and these are the story sparks. So, what stories will you tell this month? And then it gives you some things to consider. So I love that. See, for me, I need that. I need that. Especially when it comes to like family scrapbooking or just journaling. And I mean, this could be used for both. It could be used for your family scrapbook, or it could be just your personal journal. And I love that. Okay, so the other kit, this is the August kit. So I get the monthly kit. And this, I believe, I think they call this the storytelling kit. I can't remember, but it's the monthly. I get that monthly as well. So, and these kits are really affordable. Let me slowly take this out because I don't want to damage anything. You know. Yep. Slow and steady wins the race. So first off, isn't this the cutest little pouch ever? Seriously. Wow. Okay, so here we'll just start backwards this time. Look at the chipboard. Love August. The stuff of life. This story. Time moves so very fast. Bring on the August adventure. I love that. Here comes another transition. Yes. That's true. Okay, so let me open these. And I will show you the journaling cards. Okay, here we go. I know, you're going to tell me I did it wrong, and I didn't mean to do it that way, but my brain is still snoozing from the nap I took earlier. Okay, so let's start with the big ones first. I did bend them. Loving these things about August. Oh, that's neat. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I love that. Isn't that pretty? And the backs are white. I really love that. I don't know why. I just do. And that says August, August, August. Love that. And then details. Bring on the stories. Details. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 major things that happened. That'd be neat. Okay, so here is Your Blessings May Come in Unexpected Ways. Neil Anderson. Loving Life. Good for this story. The Soul. And these, of course, are blank on the back. August Memories. Love that. Oh, I love this. I love the colors. Right Now. That's so pretty. Again, this would never be where I would start. I mean, that's why I enjoy her designs and colors, because they're just nothing like I would normally be attracted to. And that's good for me. It makes my brain think in a different way. August Love Stories. This Real Life. I love that. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. Maya Angelou. That's true. This month, Details Memories. Love that. And then 1, 2, 3. Maybe your 3 main priorities for the month. I don't know. And then here is beautiful cardboard or cardstock stickers. And it says, This Joy, Hello, Plans Today, August, Good Times, Details, Real Life, This Month, This Story, Love This, Celebrate, Lovely, Goodbye Summer, August Stories, Little Things, Stuff of Life. Bring the stories. Stories matter. Loving these moments right here, right now. Super, super cute. And then here is the another quote, and then it'll give you the encouragement on the back. Everything good, everything magical happens between the month of June and August. Jenny Han. Oh, this one doesn't have it. Okay. My mistake. All right. Now, let's see here. I'll try to get this stuff back in real quick. Maybe. No, I'll do that off camera. Okay. That is the stamp set. I love the monthly stamps. This story, date, details, time, loving life, good for this story, the soul, and then it says details, memories, and then I guess you could put that in here, and then you can write your main highlights of the month. And then last but not least, these charming little wood veneer pennants. Let's see what they say. Whoops. Goodbye Summer. Oh, just relax. August Stories. Sorry, and Savor This. Absolutely charming. Okay, guys, well, that is it for my Allie Edwards fun 2 different kits. I genuinely enjoy these, and I hope you guys enjoyed it today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, this video. And if you're not subscribed, come on back. We'd love to have you. It's a really neat group here. It's just the most encouraging place, and that's what this channel was built on, was to be an encouragement. And so we'd love to encourage you. Come back, subscribe, hit that notification bell at the bottom, and yeah, hop in. The water's fine. Okay, friends. I will be talking to you soon. I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so, so much for being here. I'm so happy to get to be with you. And I'll be talking to you later. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.